Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and in today's video, we have some more positive news for Tesla stock and of course, Tesla as a company. And so this one is actually pretty exciting. Some of it is related to Battery Day, and then we also have some teasing happening from Elon Musk right now. So we've seen some teasing on Twitter from him, but it's almost at this point like a leak because he's going into some details on some hints with some things that we could be seeing on Battery Day on September 22nd. So this is actually a really interesting news video because it talks about something that could be announced on Battery Day or at least discussed on Battery Day, which is Project Roadrunner by Tesla. So anyways, as always, if you appreciate the Tesla videos, please make sure to smash that like button. It really does help me out. But first off, let's just go ahead and get into the stock price for today. I'm currently recording this early on September 18th, and so the current share price is $424 even per share, and we lost 4.15% for the normal market hours yesterday. That's minus $18.33 off of the share price, and then in the after hours, we are currently at plus 0.13%. That's plus 57 cents. So the past 2 days for Tesla, we've lost a little bit of the progress in terms of that most recent rebound. If we look at the chart for just the past year alone, we are getting a little bit close to this peak at August 31st. So a lot of Tesla fans and investors are hyped about the idea of potentially getting higher than this most recent peak and reaching $500 per share either sometime before Battery Day or sometime on the day of or after. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this news piece and then I'll discuss it a little bit further. But first off, we'll go ahead and check out this tweet by Elon Musk, and then, like I said, I'll expand on it a little bit more. So we have two tweets by Elon Musk that I really want to emphasize in this video alone. The second one that I will be referencing after this relates to this first one. So this is a tweet by TSLA, which is actually a really good Tesla news source if you're just interested in looking up news about Tesla. TSLA definitely satisfies that need. But this is a tweet by them that states, a closer look at the Tesla Roadrunner sale leak hints that Battery Day will be more insane than expected. And if we go down to the actual reply to this article, Elon Musk himself responded stating that it will be very insane. So this is huge in itself in the sense that Elon Musk is basically confirming that Battery Day is going to be insane. We've already heard in recent tweets how there's going to be a bunch of exciting things unveiled on Battery Day. And now once again, we have Elon Musk stating that Battery Day will be insane. And I have to admit, I don't see Elon Musk a lot of the times like overstating something or overemphasizing something. Now, yeah, you could say that in terms of the timelines, but even with their Tesla models and their Tesla vehicles, usually before it's released, they'll understate the details on those. That way they can actually beat expectations when it finally comes out. It's theorized that that will happen with the Cybertruck. But basically, with my experience on Twitter, keep in mind that I've only started paying attention to his Twitter a lot more recently this year. But it seems like you don't see a lot of tweets from Elon Musk like this, where he's just really hyping up things. Most times he tries to be level-headed about it and let everybody else hype it up themselves and not say too much about it. But he is really hyping up this event for Battery Day. And like I said in the past with some videos, I stated that April itself would have probably been a big event for Tesla Battery Day. However, now that we've had some months go on and on and on, then that means there's likely more progress achieved with Tesla and their battery technology since April, so there's probably a lot newer things to announce this time around given the fact that it's been delayed. And then there's also likely going to be some just extra seasoning sprinkled across some of these pieces of news with some other major announcements as well. So the fact that Elon Musk himself is saying that it will be very insane, and also that there's going to be a lot of exciting unveilings on Battery Day, this really just gets me hyped up even more than I already am. Of course, I'm still maintaining level-headed expectations, but still in terms of just excitement, this definitely has me looking forward to this event even more, especially when this is coming straight from the CEO of the company that is heading the event. And so in that article links a tweet by Fred Lambert, who is also an author on electric as well. And this tweet states, if anyone has seen this battery cell before, or if you have some information about them, please reach out. And so as you can see, we see like a battery cell right here actually much larger than the typical battery cell that we're used to. And so in this article that Elon Musk replied to on Twitter by Tesla Roddy, it actually expands on this information a little bit more. This is pretty much a leak at this point. And so it says right here, an order of magnitude fewer cells required in each pack. That's 1/10 the number of rolls, cans, electrolyte fills, and welds. The cell also appears to be designed for cell-to-pack drop-in. And so, of course, before I forget, this article is titled Tesla Roadrunner Cell Leak Hints that Battery Day Will Be More Insane Than Expected. And of course, we greatly appreciate this information from Simon Alvarez. And so I just want to state one more important key point of this article that states, as noted by Jordan Giesage of the Limiting Factor channel on YouTube, adopting a 54x98 form factor for its next generation cells has numerous implications for the entire battery manufacturing process and the performance of Tesla's vehicles as a whole. With larger cells, Tesla can produce battery packs that have an order of magnitude fewer cells than before. This would result in the company using only 1/10 of the number of rolls, cans, electrolyte fills, and welds compared to its current operations. Such a strategy opens the doors to massive cost reductions that could help bring down the prices of electric cars to a notable degree. So pretty much from that information alone, Project Roadrunner is going to be huge, not only in terms of scaling production, but also in terms of saving cost. So it can help Tesla drive the cost down much more on their vehicles. And so at this point in time, as we know, the battery is the most expensive part of the vehicle. So any minuscule small change that can be made to just slightly decrease the cost on the batteries can save Tesla a lot in the long term when they are producing them at a mass volume. And therefore, in turn, that can also help with making these vehicles more affordable, in which Elon Musk in the past has stated that the only thing that really bothers him at this point in time is that the Tesla vehicles are not as affordable as he wants them to be. He pretty much wants anyone to be able to buy a Tesla. And so this is absolutely huge news, and it's actually really interesting that Elon Musk himself is addressing these leaks, and the fact that he's addressing these leaks makes me wonder a little bit more. The fact that he's acknowledging this, does he have something else under the table that nobody is paying attention to right now? Is everybody worried about this Project Roadrunner and the battery cell and things like that, when there could be this little side thing that Elon Musk has that he's being sneaky about? So there's that possibility that he's distracting everybody else by acknowledging this leak, and then also on the side, he could be doing something huge as well that can be announced on Battery Day. Now, that's obviously off the cuff, just a random prediction. I would love to see it happen, but it doesn't mean it's realistic in terms of it actually happening. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out this next tweet that discusses it a little bit more. And once again, Elon Musk is responding to a leak and kind of almost joking about it. And so as you can see, this is a tweet from Elon Musk at 3:15 a.m. on September 17th, and it says, "Speed running Factorio in real life." And so if you don't know what this means, I honestly think it's a reference to the Roadrunner factory in which they're producing batteries. Now keep in mind, I don't know a ton about all of this battery stuff. I know a little bit, but I'm not like super in depth as some of these people that just know every single aspect of the batteries. But I think with the new Roadrunner project, they're able to produce batteries at an alarmingly fast rate. So he's basically joking about how like you speed run in games and you're able to complete a game super fast. People run competitions with speed running and things like that, where he's kind of making a joke with a comparison to the Roadrunner, which can produce batteries super fast in a factory, I believe, at least according to the rumors and the things I'm knowledgeable about currently. So it's kind of funny to see him joking around about this while also acknowledging that this leak exists. He's not denying it. It's almost as if he's pretty much acknowledging this at this point. So it does make me wonder, is there something up his sleeve that he hasn't revealed yet, and that he's tweeting out these tweets because he wants to get people focused on something else other than like the big one? Regardless, this is huge in itself, and even if it is the biggest deal of the event, I think as they explain it a little bit more, people will start to understand it and realize that this is absolutely huge for the company and the future of this company in the long term. I think most of us could probably agree on the fact that just the topic of batteries aren't too exciting. So I think Elon Musk also understands that, but just the fact that he's saying that there's a lot of exciting unveilings and that this event is going to be insane, I think there are some things at play here that could just be aside from what a lot of people are expecting. So this is what definitely gets me excited personally. So anyways, I just wanted to share this video with you all. I'm definitely excited to hear more about Project Roadrunner and also hear some discussion and information on Battery Day. So as always, please make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and also feel free to check out Robinhood and Webull in the description below. If you sign up with my referral link, you'll get some free stocks, and especially with Webull right now, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400, and all you have to do is sign up with my referral link and deposit $100 into your account. You can take that $100 right back out after you get your free stocks. So it's basically just nice passive income. Just want to let you all know about that, but hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.